An incredible performance. 3 goals and player of the match.
Feels amazing. Hold on. Mate, your skin looks incredible. After that match, how is your face looking so fresh?
Simple.
Natureza Activated Charcoal Soap.
What a goal! He's unstoppable today.
Deeply cleanses dirt, sweat, and impurities. Helps remove excess oil and unclog pores. Leaves skin feeling refreshed, balanced, and revitalized. Crafted with skin-loving ingredients for everyday confidence. Natureza Activated Charcoal Soap. Power through your day. Refresh your skin. Experience the power of activated charcoal today.